So let us discuss with the D part, that is your short answer question. So the first part is, how is resource different from gift of nature? See, this is a general answer you can write by yourself. It is not specified in your book, but still you can take reference from the first page. Okay, and here I have written a small detail. If you want, you can write it down. So all gift of nature are resources in one or the other way. Example: fossil fuels, water, sunlight, animals and minerals. See, everything which is there in your environment is gift of nature, but they are asking you how gift of nature is different from resources. But can all resources be gift of nature? We have human resources as well, we have human made resources as well. So the resources that were made by humans were not directly there in the form of gift of nature, right? We used raw material from the gift of nature, processed it, used our technology skills, and then we made it into a better resource that has better utility and that has a more price. So that is why all gifts of nature can be resources in one or the other way, but all resources cannot be gift of nature. And then at last you can define what are resources. Resources are basically refers to the material available in our environment which help us to satisfy our needs. Okay, and these lines will help you to distinguish more. With the passage of time, human beings developed technique to convert these gifts of nature into useful articles which could satisfy their needs. Thus gifts of nature became resources, right? Initially they were gift of nature, and all the gift of nature is a kind of resource which is used in the one or the other form, you can say directly or indirectly. But all resources are not gift of nature, because we have human made resources as well. Like for example, buildings. Can buildings be gift of nature? Was it already there in the environment? No, the humans have created building, right, with their technology, with the passage of time, with their skills. So this is the answer, and this is not answer directly given in your book. However, you can make it by yourself and write it down in your own words.